Hi. Hello,
Magandang umaga.
Terry. Salamat. Magandang gabi, Terry. Okay. Rinig at kita mo ako, Terry? Ah,
Oo.
yeah.
Ay,
Rinig?
nakikita ko.
Okay, yeah. Oo, nakikita kita. Oo. Let's say it like this. Oo, nakikita kita. Kita means you.
Nakikita.
And the kita, do you know the kita like you and I together?
Yeah. I forgot
It's
that
in the
one.
chat. You can check the chat.
Oo.
Has it did it appear in the chat box, Terry?
Wala.
Hala! Why is it? I think it's the same with my student last Friday. What he did
Oo.
is he minimized and then maximize again to see the chat. I don't know why is it like that.
Ah,
Yeah, I put a message in the chat.
okay. It's
Ayun.
good.
Did you do that? The minimize and maximize?
Uh, I close the window and
Ah,
then open the window again
okay,
for
okay.
the chat in the web browser.
Yun. That's right. You can leave the chat open so that you can. Oy, nakikita ko ng iyong dog. Nakikita, I can see your dog.
Yeah.
Behind you. Isa lang.
Uh, Dua or
Dalawa.
dalawa.
Dalawa sila. Ayun.
Oo.
Nasaan yung
The
isa?
other one is with my husband.
You can say yung isa ay kasama ng can you remember what is my husband in Tagalog?
Uh, ay,
Asa
asaw asawan?
wa
Asawa.
asawa? Yeah, asawa.
Asawa.
Yan.
Uh-uh.
Yung isa ay kasama ng asawa ko. Can you say it, Terry?
Uh, oh wait, where is it in the chat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yung isa ay kasama nag
Ng
ng Zoe. Oh, ng asawa ko.
Yan, that's right. Yeah, I put the pronunciation instead of just spelling. Yeah, asawa.
Asawa.
Ayan. Ano
Oo.
ang pangalan? Ano ang
Ah,
pangalan?
pangalan siya Walter.
Okay.
Walter.
Okay, let's see.
He
Wow.
hears you.
Oo nga. Nakatingin sa akin. He's looking at me. Nakatingin sa akin.
Oo.
Hello. What is it? Walter? Did I hear Walter?
Walter.
Walter? Wal-
Walter.
Walter at? Walter
Well,
at?
what? Zoe. Zoe.
Zoe. Zoe. Dogs.
Zoe.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Did you message me too, Terry? Did you message me too, Terry? Did you message me too?
Yeah, in the chat. Oo. Walter, Zoe.
Ayun. I also didn't see when
Ah,
my chat is open. I need to click the info and then the chat for me.
yeah.
I think there's like a little bug
Oo.
in the chat. Okay, well, if I send you a message in the chat, I will tell it to you so that you can also
Refresh.
refresh that. Ayan.
Oo.
Okay. Yeah, so last time I didn't give you homework. Hindi ako
Homework. Oh,
nagbigay ng takdang aralin. Takdang aralin is homework in Tagalog.
tama na rin.
Yeah,
Oo.
that we can give away to finish the lesson about weather. And actually, what I saw is the lesson you book is the 1 hour. Do you want to extend it to 1 hour, or I mean
Just 30 minutes.
just 30 minutes? Okay,
Oo.
okay. And then later I will give the 50% refund later.
Oo.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Ayan. Okay, let me share you screen, Terry. Okay, so last time we were talking about weather when traveling. And I'm not sure if you can see it now. Can you see it now?
Nakikita ko.
Ayun, okay, great. Let me just do this. Okay. And then, we're done with this. Ayan,
Oo.
maalinsangan. Right?
Ma-
Maalinsangan.
maalinsangan.
Yeah, so mainit.
It's
Okay.
humid.
Maalinsangan po, it's humid. Okay, this one is
Uh,
malamig.
malamig.
Yeah, malamig. It's cold.
Oh.
It's cold. And I can also remember, based in the chat box, we also talk about nangangatal. Nangangatal means
Oh yeah,
freezing,
shivering.
shivering. Correct. Nangangatal. And okay, let's learn one more. And so the temperature is going up. Yeah, so this one is mainit.
Mainit.
Ayan,
Mainit.
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 Mainit po. So for example, sobrang init. Yeah, so
Very
that's
hot.
an expression, oh, super hot. And in the Philippines, it is like 35 or 36. Maybe in Metro Manila, higher.
Ah.
Yeah. And then you will hear the people saying, sobrang init. So sobrang means very hot. Yeah, because it can also like it makes us very thirsty and tired. 34.
Afternoon naps. Ano naps? Like
Um, sleeping. Ayan, nap ay idlip. Idlip. Nap. Idlip.
it, it,
Idlip.
idlip. Idlip.
Ayan.
Ah, okay.
Okay, yeah, idlip. Okay.
Gusto ko idlip.
Kapag mainit, gusto mo uminom.
Oo. Yeah.
Ah,
It's just so sleepy.
the thing is, I also idlip. Last Saturday, the time for that is like, I think 1 to 2. But when it's become 2, but I need to idlip again. Like I usually sleep at 1 to 3 p.m. The hotness, I cannot bear it. So I asked my mother-in-law, I will go to the aircon room. Ayun, because we were in our parents' house since
Ah,
holiday last weekend. And it's
oo.
still holiday in your place, Terry?
Yeah. Yeah. Happy Easter.
Sa'yo din, yeah. Happy Easter, yeah. So we have the idlip.
It,
Sobrang init kapag umiidlip. Ikaw, okay lang? Okay lang.
uh,
Kahit mainit.
oh, no.
And the thing is,
No.
it get my neck sweaty, my kilikili
Oo.
sweaty too. So it's not
I know
compatible.
this one.
Although,
uh,
although you have electric fan.
nanay ko would say, hugas kilikili.
Hugas ang kilikili, banlawan,
Oo.
linisin ang kilikili. Yeah, because of sobrang init. Yeah, it will make you so sweaty. Even I'm front in the of electric fan. Yeah, that
Oo.
was, I think, 2 o'clock last
Oh my
Saturday.
gosh. Ah,
Sobrang init
so
ngayon. Totoo. Totoo, miss. It's true. It's super hot in the Philippines right now. And, okay. All right, let's go with the next one. Are we on the same page? The picture are two
oo.
children with umbrella. Ayan, so it is umuulan.
Ah,
It is raining.
umuulan.
Yeah.
Umuulan.
Actually, we can also say maulan. Yeah, maulan. It's
Maulan.
raining. It
Ah,
is
okay.
raining, umuulan. And
Umuulan.
yeah, just like the other who always starts with like maalinsangan, mainit, malamig, yeah, maulan. We can also say that. This one, it is raining, umuulan. And umuulan sa
Umuulan.
labas. You remember sa labas, outside. It's
Sa labas. Outside.
outside. Okay. Great. Umuulan. Next
Umuulan.
one. And here, mahangin
Windy.
po. Yung windy. Ayan. Okay.
Mahanging. Ma, ano?
Mahangin
Hanging.
po. Mahangin po.
Mahanging po.
Ayan. I will put it in
Mahanging.
the chat. Okay.
Mahanging. Mahanging.
And
Okay.
maybe refresh again. There you go.
Mahanging.
Yes.
Ying.
Nin.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah,
Yinging.
mahangin. Windy. Ayan. The pie will be broken. Yeah. Especially if you are at the seaside.
Oo. Yeah.
Yeah, it can happen. The wind there is so strong. Okay, or hanging, which means wind. Let's
Hanging.
put it in the chat again. Yeah,
Hanging.
hanging is wind. And
Hanging.
okay.
Okay.
And hangin means wind. Mahangin. Okay, start
Hanging.
again with ma. Okay. Another weather is cloudy. So, maulap. Maulap. Maulap.
Maulap.
Yeah,
Maulap.
ulap. Ulap means cloud. Okay, I put it in the chat. And maulap. Maulap.
Maulap.
Ulap po.
Maulap po.
Yeah, my favorite weather in the Philippines is maulap po. Yeah, so that we can go outside. Maybe around the weather, the temperature maybe 22 or 23 degree. You use Fahrenheit there, right, Terry?
That's nice. Uh-oh.
Okay, so that will be around,
Like 70?
let's see, they're 23. Yeah, kind of 73.
Okay, 73.
Yeah, so I like maulap in the Philippines. But if it is sunny or maaraw, yeah, it's kind of maybe 28 to 30. But summer it can be 35. Like the Arizona weather. Arizona feels.
Yeah. Sobrang mainit.
Sobrang mainit. Sobrang init. Okay. Yeah, maulap. Maulap.
Maulap.
That's right. And then this one.
Maaraw?
Correct. Maaraw.
Wow.
Maaraw.
Maaraw.
Yeah, it's sunny. But here, maybe some people, but as I mentioned, most of the Filipino, they don't like to get so black or sunburn or unequal. This is white. This is black. So they don't go outside under the sun. Yeah, we have payong. Yeah,
Payong, yeah. Umbrella.
And the men, they normally put a cap.
Yeah.
Or nothing because they are men. Or wala. Ayan, maaraw. Ayan. Okay, the other one in the Philippine weather is may bagyo. May bagyo po. There is a storm.
Bagyo.
Yan. May bagyo po. You can see it, Terry?
Ayan.
Did it happen that you were in the Philippines and you experienced a storm?
2018 when I went for my cousin's wedding and we were about to fly in from LA.
Mm-hmm.
The China Airlines flew off the runway and closed the airport because there was a typhoon coming. So then we got delayed.
Delayed. How long? For how long?
For 1 day, and then it was okay.
1 day.
We still went to Manila, to Dumaguete, then to Siquijor.
Oh, I see. Oh, one day delay. So you go back to the hotel like
that. Yeah, in LA we were delayed there, and then still the next day was okay.
Ayun, yeah. Normally, just like 1 day or sometimes 1.5 day is the
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it
okay.
was okay. We made it.
Yeah. The wind is so strong. The hanging is so strong,
Hanging.
as you can see.
Uh-oh.
And yeah, so it's normal for us.
Okay.
There's a typhoid, okay.
Uh-oh.
Then the children, the students at school, they will say, "Yay! Walang pasok, walang pasok, walang pasok. No classes in school." So they cheering for the storm. And let's say it again, Terry. May bagyo po.
May bagyo po.
And
Bagyo.
yeah, the word bagyo means storm. And
Bagyo. Bagyo. Ah, it sounds so similar to Baguio.
it's the same.
Bagyo?
Yeah, it's the same pronunciation. The Baguio City.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Baguio City.
There.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Have you been there?
No, I don't think so.
I don't know how to spell it correctly.
Yeah, maybe at Google. Baguio.
I always forget Baguio
Oh,
City.
no A.
I know.
Baguio.
Yeah, Baguio. Yeah, Baguio
Baguio.
City.
Baguio.
Baguio City. And
Oo.
okay, another nice city in the Philippines, if you like cold weather, is the Antipolo. Antipolo, Rizal.
Antipolo.
Yeah, I will put it
Antipolo.
in the
Ano?
Antipolo. Wait, Antipolo, Rizal. I will put it in the chat. Can you check it, Terry? Antipolo, Rizal. Can you see it?
Ah, Antipolo, Rizal.
Yeah, it's also a city. Have you been there? Yeah,
No.
it's okay. That place is also high, just like mountain.
Ah,
That's why it's called.
the mountain's cold.
Yeah, okay. It's also a city, as I can see here. And
Saan? North
um,
or south?
my husband said 30 minutes drive from Manila,
Ah, oo.
but
Okay,
depends on
so
the
Luzon.
traffic. But depends on the traffic. So it can maybe 4 hours instead of 30 minutes. Okay,
Really?
depends on the
Talaga?
traffic. Talaga. Talaga. Or you can say, tunay ka, you are correct. Yeah. Yeah, because we experienced that. What? It's so also it's already there, but the traffic is very congested.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I also give you an expression, the word tunay ka, and you can refresh again the
Oh, okay.
chat box. Yeah, you are it means you are correct. Tunay ka. You
Tu,
are correct.
tu, tunay ka?
Yeah.
Tunay ka?
Yeah, when you say yeah, talaga, oh, tunay ka. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's so congested in the Philippines. Traffic, especially in Manila. But in
Yeah.
some places, if it is very rural, yeah, I think rural. Is it rural or urban? Or not city? And it's okay, very okay. It's not congested. It's good. The traffic is great. And let's check. Yeah, so the next one is listen and match. Okay, I will say you can tell me. Okay, let's say this is picture one, picture two,
Okay.
picture three.
Okay.
So let's say in Tagalog, una, pangalawa,
Una, dalawa,
pangalawa. Let's say the first, second, third.
pangalawa.
Yan.
Oo.
Una, pangalawa,
Una,
pangatlo. Okay, I will put it in the chat. Una, pangalawa, pangatlo.
pangatlo. Okay.
First, second,
Sige.
okay. Maulan po.
Maulan po. Maulan po. Pangatlo.
Yan.
Pangatlo.
Pangatlo. Mahangin. Mahangin po.
Mahangin. Una.
Yun. Okay, una. In Spanish, uno. Okay, so that's why, for example, 1 o'clock, alauna. And instead of alauno, ala, alauna, 1 o'clock. Ayun. And then, mainit po.
Mainit po is pangalawa.
Pangalawa. Okay, very good.
Mainit
Another
po.
one. Okay, yeah. So this time, it's sentence completion. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct weather word? And first one, po sa mall. Kailangan ko ng jacket. So mall, the shopping mall,
Oo,
I need, I
jacket.
need a jacket.
Malamig.
Ayan.
Malamig
Okay.
po.
Malamig po sa mall. Okay, that's right. Okay, yeah. So I just need to, oops. Okay, let's see. Correct? Can you see the word malamig? It's right there at the end.
Yeah.
Correct?
Malamig po sa mall. Kailangan ko ng jacket.
Yeah. The word kailangan, I need.
Oh, kailangan. Oh, I need. Okay.
Kailangan
I
ko. So I need. Same thing with gusto ko. So I like. I want.
like.
So we use the ko. Yung kailangan, gusto, o the mahal
Kailangan.
ko. You also use the
I need
there. Yeah. So instead of ako only. Alright.
Okay.
Number 2, Terry. Po ngayon. Pawis na ako. Pawis is sweaty.
It could be two things, maybe. It could be mainit or what is it?
Maybe you want to say the sunny?
The humid.
Maalinsangan.
Maalinsangan.
Maalinsangan, humid. Yeah, I put it in the chat again. Okay. Yeah, maalinsangan, humid.
Because pawis.
Yeah, the pawis. Yeah,
Pawis.
so I pick maalinsangan. Okay.
Malinsangan.
Okay.
Malinsangan. Humid. Maalinsangan.
Correct.
Okay.
Number 3, Terry. Magdala po tayo ng salamin sa mata. Dahil, po ngayon, salamin sa mata, sunglasses.
Oh.
I mean,
Oh.
shade or the shade. Do you call it glasses or shade there?
Glasses.
Glasses, like the sunglasses. The
Sunglasses.
black.
Sa mata.
Okay, here we call it shade.
Okay. Different.
Oh, yeah, the shade. Like, nasaan ang shade ko? So it means, where are my sunglasses? I mean, glasses, the sun, but not the reading glasses like this. The outdoor one. We always say shade. Okay.
Magdala po tayo ng salamin sa mata dahil maaraw po ngayon.
Yun, maaraw. That's correct.
Maaraw.
Good job. Okay, another one. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Uy!
Wait.
No!
That one, hindi po ako makakalabas. You know the labas, right?
We can't go outside.
Yan. I can't go outside kasi buong araw. Buo means whole. The whole day.
Oh, the whole. Buong. Okay. Hindi po ako makakalabas kasi umuulan. Umuulan.
That's correct. Umuulan.
Po buong araw.
Yeah.
The whole day.
Yeah.
Araw.
Raining all day. Umuulan buong araw. Correct.
Umuulan.
Ayan. So, yeah, it's better to stay indoors. Okay.
Kasi. Kasi. Ano kasi? Because?
Because, yeah, okay.
Ah,
Kasi
kasi.
means because, informal. The other one
Inform.
is dahil, because,
Dahil. Oo.
but it sounds formal. For example, me, I don't use it formally. I will use it in formal writing. But kasi when everyday
Conversational.
uh,
Oo.
yeah.
Kasi.
Just like because cause because this is maybe sounds like that. Okay.
Okay.
Kasi. Okay.
Kasi.
And then number 5, ayoko pong lumabas kapag dahil mabilis akong magkasakit. Ayan, so we have the kasi here. Here we have the dahil.
Oo. Dahil.
Mabilis, it means fast. I can get sick easily. Okay, mabilis akong magkasakit. Okay. Okay, I don't like to go outside when it is because I get sick easily.
Oh, I don't know what weather. Oh,
Okay.
oh, 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 oh.
Oh, okay, mahangin.
Mahanging.
Yeah,
Mahanging.
normally
I was thinking, uh, ah, the
like
storm,
bagyo.
bagyo. Yeah.
Ayun, okay. Yeah, it could be too.
Yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
bagyo.
maghangin.
But normally, if
Yun.
there is a bagyo, you will not see people going like walking outside, going to other neighborhood. And they will just stay indoor, eat
Okay.
lugaw or champorado or sopas. The mahangin, yeah, because they will get achoo, colds. And
Okay.
it's easy to catch cold.
Magkasikit. So that's like they will get sick, like a cold almost,
Yes,
or the act of getting sick. Like,
magkasakit,
at
yeah, and the act of getting sick.
okay,
Or usually
like
it
the
starts
verb.
with the sipon or the colds.
Yeah, sipon is
Ayan.
when you have a cold.
Yeah, a cold. I will put it in the chat there. Oh,
Okay.
very good. You know the sipon. Then they will
Yeah.
get
Because
achoo.
you had sipon the other class.
The other class, yeah. And then this one, I
Yeah.
I inhale to how do you call it? First, yeah, to stop the runny nose.
Yeah.
And okay, mahangin. Okay, very good, Terry. Okay, so let me just check on. Okay, so I think there's a little bit more about this one. So for sure, next the Friday,
Class.
stay your time. We can finish this. Okay, I will
Okay.
give you a little homework again to review on your free time. Okay, for sure you
Okay.
can finish it in within 10 or 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So I will
Okay.
I will not get more of your time. Maraming salamat, Terry.
Okay.
Message me anytime if you
Bye.
have a question. Okay, paalam.
Okay. Paalam.
Bye.